the long story short, with all the challenges and against the MassKara, today, the MassKara is something that has become so big, so attractive, very much an icon of Bacolod, and it is something that we can all be proud of.
Be the voice of innocent children and let's create a child-friendly society. A pleasant evening, Bacolod. This is Christine Mendoza, 22. I am your entry candidate, number 1.
Building the future, transforming lives, one out of school youth at a time. Hi, good evening. This is Regulara Alcan, 20, your MQ candidate number 2.
Unveil your talents and gifts to the world and inspire other people to embrace their individuality. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Moira Macy Corpus Avisamis, 21, your MQ candidate number 3. We are going to be leaders someday and we should know what's going on. Good evening, Bacolod. This is Andrea Sagario, 17, your MQ candidate number 4. The beauty of never giving up in pursuing your dreams is becoming the better version of yourself. Good evening, everyone. My name is Trisha Maristicaro, 21, your MQ candidate number 5. Seize every opportunity and show the world that nothing could ever hold you back. This is Vina Marie Seriano Peña, 20, your MQ candidate number 6. Spreading awareness about polycystic ovarian syndrome and empowering women to be confident in their own skin. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. I am Shaira Victoria Juarez, 18, your MQ candidate number 7.
My family is the wind beneath my wings, the sole reason why I aspire to climb greater heights. Good evening, everyone. I am China May Al, 21 years old, your MQ candidate number 8. I am an Earth warrior. I will make it a mission to preserve our planet and empower the youth to do the same. Good evening, everyone. I am Janine Cornelius, 18, your MQ candidate number 9. Radiate hope by encouraging people to express themselves and promoting mental health. Good evening, Bacolod. This is Queenie Idasa Amarante, 19, your MQ candidate number 10.